Hey team, Neil here. I'm down at one of our renovations, which is like well and truly under construction now, as you can see. But what I've got here, which I'm going to show you now, is the floor plan, the before and after, and also the sewer diagram, so you can see how these things get put together. So right here, we've got a sewer diagram. These little legs here are showing you where the sewer connections are into the property, and then it comes down to the sewer connection at the front of the house here, and that's a sewer main that runs outside the property there. And then when we look at this property, this is the existing floor plan. So we can kind of see the sewer connections here coming into these bedrooms. Bedrooms. The laundry, it's coming into the bathroom, it's coming into the ensuite. So we look again there. We've got the laundry, the water closet, FWG. What does that stand for? Floor waste. And then we've got the floor waste again in the water closet here, which is this here. So this document here is called a flimsy or sewer diagram, so we can see where the sewer is. These here are how high the dimensions of the height of the pipe in comparison to the main pipe at the front of the house there as well, right? So we can see here that it kind of drips down, and we all know that shit goes downhill. So when we're looking at this property, we're trying to work out how do we get the floor plan, or how do we get additional en-suites in there to increase this floor plan. So right here we can see this games room is just crying out to be made into a bedroom, but it's actually quite small compared to some of the games room we play with. And then down here we've got this lounge kitchen area, which looks pretty funky to put an extra bedroom in already. And the red bits are just existing bathrooms. And this is what we've got. So we've essentially put the ensuite in that section there. So in this dining area, we put the ensuite in there and clearing this into a bedroom. And then the games room, we put the bedroom there with the walk-in robe, and then we've actually cut a hole in that wall, which was there before. Hole through the wall, and then we've turned that, put the ensuite in there. What we would have done if this living area is a little bit bigger is put the ensuite there, so that retreat would have been big enough. But then we wouldn't have got this ensuite in either, so we had to make a sacrifice, and this is turned into a small retreat. So we might put a little kitchenette in there, put the bedroom furniture in there, bedroom furniture, and then they've got this kitchen dining living area to kind of share there. So hope that helps. A little bit different. If you want to see the actual video walkthrough, I'll put it in the link. Put the link in the comment section. So just click the comment section and it should take you through to the video walkthrough as well. See you later.